And I am Naman from Grade 7C.
So this project is of a Coriolis force. What we understand by Coriolis force is that if the earth was stationed, then the winds would be going in a straight line, but as the earth is moving, it would be changed and the wind would be going in a deflected motion.
The items that we used are a piece of cardboard, a dark colored sheet, a lighter colored sheet that we cut it in a shape of circle, and we stuck a boot pin in the center of the circle.
So we use the cardboard as a base, and this circle is our earth. So this is the winds, the line we drew are the winds, and if the earth was stationed at a place, then this line would be how the winds move. But now we know that the earth is not stationed and moves, so this would be the path of the wind, and it would not be in a straight line as the earth is moving. Thank you.